Hey guys, today is Christmas 2021 and I have a Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year. By the time this video gets out, it's probably going to be in 2022. I hope you had a great 2021. Today I'm here to do a little bit of pre-flight and pre-planning because tomorrow we are flying down to Florida. So the plan is to fly to Fernandina Beach first, stay there for a couple of days, and then fly to Orlando, Kissimmee, stay there for a few days and fly back. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So I fly in this Grumman Tiger, try to take the family for trips and things like that, and I'd like to document my journey. So see you guys later.
Hi Ram, hi Kaavya. Are you having fun, Kaavya, so far?
Yes, but my tooth hurt.
Uh-oh.
Clear rock.
Clearance Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with information extra IFR.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta Peachtree, clearance cleared to Foxtrot Hotel Bravo Airport via radar vectors, then as filed. Maintain 3,000. Expect 7,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.907, squawk 3532.
Peachtree Tower, Lightsport 8901, Tango Office 10 to the northwest at X-rays, full stop.
Lightsport 8901, Tango Office, Peachtree Tower, ident, make a straight in for runway 21 right, runway 21 right, clear to land.
Hey! We'll land 21 right, 1 Tango Office.
Wind calm.
Appa,
Bart, baby.
can I hide it in the holiday pillow?
Sure.
Yay!
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, caution, wait turbulence, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading, save me for a turn.
Fly runway heading for Grumman 66 Romeo
Appa,
Delta. What's that again, last one?
And stay with me for additional turn.
Alright, we'll stay with you, 6 Romeo.
Lightsport 1 Tango Alpha, change 2, runway 21 left, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Alright, we're changing it up to 21 left, clear land, 1 Tango Alpha.
Wind calm. Jet at 124, contact land departure, see you.
Departure today, Jet at 124.
Grumman 4 Alpha, uniform, pull up, hold short, need to get a waffle behind you.
Left to the whole short line, take right.
Waffle 7020, limit if you can, pull up, hold short behind the Grumman ahead.
20 Lima.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 090, 90 on the heading, contact land departure.
Turn left 090, contact Atlanta, 6 Romeo, thanks for help. Atlanta approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta 090, climbing to 3000.
66 Romeo Delta Atlanta, ident, climb maintain 5,000.
Ident and climb maintain 5000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, radar contact 2 miles south of Peachtree. November 6 Romeo Delta, climb and maintain 7,000.
7000, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, turn right direct Macon.
Direct Macon, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, clear direct Fernandina Beach.
Clear direct Fernandina Beach, 6 Romeo Delta.
Six Romeo Delta, traffic is no factor, descend to maintain 6,000.
6000 for 6 Romeo Delta. Oh yeah, it's going to be a little bumpy, okay?
November 66 Romeo Delta, contact Jax Approach 127.0.
127.0, 6 Romeo Delta. Jackson Center, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 6000.
66 Romeo Delta, altimeter 3003, advised Fernandina automated weather.
6 Romeo Delta, we'll go ahead and get weather for Fernandina.
66 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Jax Center, Bonanza 20572, 6500. Weather observation 20.
Yes, sir, 6261, you can continue right turn if you want for the base, just no further left for traffic.
Okay, we're going to continue that right turn 150.
Alright. 6 Romeo Delta, Fernandina, 12 o'clock, 5 miles.
Romeo Delta Airport inside.
6 Romeo Delta, cleared visual approach into Fernandina Beach Airport. You have the number to cancel on the ground?
We'll go ahead and cancel now, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, IFR cancellation received and change supervisor frequency approved. Good day.
Good day, thanks so much, 6 Romeo Delta. Fernandina traffic, number 66 Romeo Delta aboard 4 miles to the northwest inbound Fernandina. Fernandina traffic, number 6 Romeo Delta, turning base to final runway 31 Fernandina.
Bye-bye, Amelia Beach.
Fernandina traffic, number 66 Romeo Delta, departing runway 13 Fernandina. Make sure looks good, fuel pump on, landing lights on. Look at the beach, Kaavya. Fernandina traffic, number 66 Romeo Delta, departing the area to the south, Fernandina. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Jax Approach.
Approach, looking to pick up IFR flight plan for Kissimmee. We just departed Fernandina Beach, climbing to 1,500.
Alright, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, reset your transponder, squawk 4202.
4202 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, radar contact 3 miles south of Fernandina Beach, shore altitude 1,800, climb and maintain 4,000. You are cleared to the Kissimmee Airport via direct Brado, T210, Kaiser, then direct.
Climb and maintain 4,000, cleared to Kissimmee via Brado, T210, Kaiser, direct, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, readback is correct. Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, contact approach on 1249.
124.9. Jacksonville Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, climbing to 4,000.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Jax Approach, Jax altimeter 2999.
2999, 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, come and maintain 6,000.
6,000, 6 Romeo.
270, it's 348. We'll see you later. Number 66 Romeo Delta, contact Daytona Approach on 118.85, 1885.
1885, 6 Romeo, thank you. Fernandina Approach, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 6000.
66 Romeo Delta Daytona Approach, altimeter 3001. Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, 5,500, indicated type unknown.
Looking for the traffic system. Alright, welcome back. Second leg of the trip. So, we flew into Fernandina on Sunday. Had a couple of days. Had a fun time, so we're headed down to Kissimmee, Disney and other attractions there. So I still have about 48 minutes to go. I'm doing 106 knots of ground speed, so it's
Number 6 Romeo Delta, just want to maintain 4,000.
4,000 per minute.
Number 54 Quebec, just a heads up, in about 40 miles I'm going to have to terminate radar service with you. Orlando's not taking any flight following today.
Alright, Orlando is not taking any flight followings today, so...
So what's the speed, release 2235 or disregard? Number 6 Romeo Delta, contact Orlando Approach 119.4.
119.46 over, thank you. Turn approach, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 4000.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Orlando Approach, visual approach 915 at Kissimmee, advise Zeta Alpha.
Negative on the weather, we'll go ahead and get back. Would you mind if I switch the frequency for a bit?
Number 6 Romeo Delta, frequency change approved, report back on this frequency.
Report back, 6 Romeo.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 245 for traffic.
245 for traffic, 6 Romeo.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, fly heading 215.
215, 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, fly heading 185.
185, 6 Romeo.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, descend to maintain 2,000.
1000 for 6 Romeo.
6 Romeo Delta, the airport's 12 o'clock, 12 miles.
Report inside, 6 Romeo.
6 Romeo Delta, cleared visual approach 15, contact the tower 124.45.
Contact tower, 6 Romeo, thanks for your help.
See ya.
Kissimmee Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, visual 15.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Kissimmee Tower, continue straight in.
Continue trading, 6 Romeo. We're almost here, Kaavya.
Mustang 5, continue 1,500, I'll let you know when you descend, and it'll be a right break.
It'll be a right break, and we're at 1,500, Mustang 5.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, you be number 2, you're following P-51 Mustang, he's approaching the right base, runway 15, cleared land.
We're looking for the Mustang, 6 Romeo Delta, number 2, clear to land.
66 Romeo.
Let's say that again for 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, traffic's 2 miles ahead of you, base to final.
Have traffic inside 6 Romeo. Thank you. Mustang ready.
Yeah, we're turning base, we float home.
I told you a half a mile ago to turn your base. Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, where are you parking?
6 Romeo Delta going to the Odyssey.
66 Romeo Delta, if you're able, make the right on runway 624.
Right on runway 624, 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, thank you, contact ground 121.7.
Contact ground 6 Romeo Delta. Kissimmee ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta going to the Odyssey.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, ground to right on Delta to Odyssey.